It's your time, do it right. Come on, in the day or in the night. Don't be shy, you can try, they can never take the back. Do the love, going after all your battle. For us, it's some movement, so needed. Cultivation and beating, let them say what they want. But never believe that you do you, they do them. But love wins in the end, again and again. You can transcend, it's some movement, so needed. Cultivation and beating. It's your moment. You know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment, and you gotta let it. It's your moment. You know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment, and you gotta let it. It's your time, do it right. In December or July, don't be shy, you can fly. You can never break a stride. Rolling up, you're the one. The work is never done. It's a movement, so lead it. Cultivate it and feed it. Let them talk all they want, but never concede or stay true. Stay dead, cause love means bleeding. It's your moment. You know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment, and you gotta let it. It's your moment. You know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. If they can't stop you, it's your